right, दोस्तों, thank you and welcome back onto the Drive Time Show. चलते चलते और फिलहाल के लिए आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. Of course, we have, like I mentioned, आप लोगों को कि आज के हमारे इस शो में we have Mr. Thapa and Mr. Dhruva Thapa. Yeah, he's a chef, published author of Himalayan Indian cuisine, and he has published two poetry collections in Nepali and English literature, and is a recipient of an International Nepali Literary Society's Journalism Award in 2010 in Boston, and also a recipient of a Poetry Ambassador title in 2006, National Poetry Month of USA, and also from the International Library of Poetry. He's also a freelancer, blogger, and published several recipes and articles in online and print media, and he has also been the past president of Lions Club of Berkeley, Annapurna. And back in Nepal, he was a lecturer in a Tribhuvan University and affiliated college and vice principal of a boarding school, but always passionate about cooking and community activities. For the past 18 years, he has managed Nepali and Indian restaurants in San Francisco Bay Area. Currently, he's the executive chef of Ajanta Distinctive Indian Restaurant, which is the highest rated Indian restaurant by Zagat. In the San Francisco Bay Area since 2017, conducted cooking classes in the past, voluntary served as a chef of Karma Kitchen. Right now, he is a contestant. Yes, he is a contestant of a favorite chef promoting Nepali heritage cuisine on the international platform. And currently, he is leading in the top 10 of his group round until tomorrow. Online voting is open for the top 5 contestants in his group. And for now, a very warm welcome, Dhrupdi. Welcome to the show. Namaskar aapko.
Namaskar. Thank you, Dinmani ji, for having me in your great show, Chalte Chalte. It's a great honor for me. I know almost a decade ago, you had invited me to the show when I launched my cookbook. And I know I'm now participating in favorite chef competition. It's a great honor and what a coincidence. Thank you so much for having me in this show.
Absolutely, खाने पीने की जहाँ बात हो, I'm always, ready to talk about that. So it's
Yeah, that's
always,
true.
it's always good to have you. So, थोड़ा सा हमको ये बताइए, in regards to ये competition जो है, what is it? क्या है ये?
Okay, this competition is called the favorite chef competition. Is an exclusive online competition where chefs from around the globe are invited to compete. The winner will be received 50,000 US dollar.
Acha.
And the winner will be featured in a 2-page spread in Bon Appetit, one of the very famous cookbook and magazines of America, with exclusive coverage, photo shoot, recipe, and course announcements of the winner. So that is the main objectives of this competition. They are doing right now based on online.
Oh, okay. So, और ये जो है, like you said, ये जो competition है, who is actually hosting this competition?
Okay, the title itself is called the Favorite Chef Competition, and the celebrity chef Eddie Matney is the host and mentor of the competition, who is popularly known for his colorful and innovative culinary skills. He is not only hosting the online competition, but he is providing cooking tips, encouragement, inspiring all the contestants to lead the competition, and sharing his weekly inspiring videos exclusively for the contestant of favorite chef. So he uploads weekly videos to inspiring us, providing all the information that how we can proceed and how we do the cooking and all the things and tricks and techniques and so many ideas he share. So the main host of the event competition is the celebrity chef is called Eddie Matney.
Eddie Matney.
Yes.
Okay. So अगर लोग आपको vote करना चाहे ना, so how can we vote for you, or is there any link to vote? शायद आप इससे हमारे जो listeners है या viewers जो है, welcoming that on Facebook Live as well. आपको अगर vote करना चाहे, so where they can go into doing this.
Oh yeah.
And
the main thing is that this is online voting because we have already completed our judging round and we have sent for the online voting systems. The winner will be decided by the voting systems only. So the link is fabsafe.com. So even in the background of my page, you can see, you can type fabsafe.com/2021 Dhruva-Thapa. Or if you go to the fabsafe.com, FAVCHEVEF.com, and search there my name, Dhruva, DHRUVA, you can find me and you can vote from there.
Okay, so वो जो आपके पीछे जो स्क्रीन लगा हुआ है, you know, people who are watching for surely, and that's fabchef.com/2021/Dhruva-Thapa. So they can go there and then, you know, they can start voting, right?
या अभी जो वोटिंग लाइन खुला है कल तक के लिए, कल 6 बजे ये लाइन क्लोज होगा, तो 6 बजे के बाद टॉप 5 का अनाउंसमेंट हो रहा है, इसीलिए अभी टाइम है. इफ somebody wants to vote me, they can go to the link and they can vote till tomorrow. क्योंकि कल सुबह 6 से लेकर शाम तक ओपन है, लेकिन 6 बजे शाम को वोटिंग लाइन क्लोज हो जाएगा और उसके बाद टॉप 5 from each group will be announced. So definitely we still have time to vote right now.
All right. So
the thing is that if you go with my profile, if you click the link, and you will see where is my position right now. So it shows currently in first. That means I'm leading the top 10 groups. So because of the voters, all my well-wishers, they have contributed a lot of time, energy to vote me. Thank you so much, everyone who has voted me. And still, I need a lot of vote to move forward to top 5 and top 1. Then after, I can proceed to the quarterfinal round, because right now I'm just leading the group round. So after completing of the group round, only one participant from the group can go to the quarterfinal. So there are more than 20-25 groups. So all the number one participants, all the number one contestant will be going to next level. So ये बहुत बड़ी challenging है. So मेरा पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट सभी को है कि कृपया बे एरिया में बहुत समय से मैं हूँ यहाँ पर. आपको मालूम है कि I'm just serving Nepalese and Indian cuisine here. So definitely, if you vote me, definitely I will be able to go to the quarterfinal round or the semi-final or even in the final round.
So there you go. You know, जिन लोगों ने आपके हाथ का जो खाना है वो खाया है, you know, लोगों से बताएंगे कि you know definitely आप वोट करिएगा, और जिन लोगों ने नहीं भी खाया है, but they can also vote for you, right?
Yes, definitely.
अभी कुछ देर पहले मैंने माइकल से बात किया होता, तो हिमालयन का जो खाना वगैरह है, he was like mentioning थोड़ा सा वो हटके है. So I said, you know, चलो हम आपको यहाँ से हिमालय तो नहीं ले जा सकेंगे, लेकिन हिमालय का जो खाना वगैरह है हम आपको यहाँ पर खिला सकते हैं, वो भी बर्कली में.
Oh yeah, thank you.
What's that, Michael?
Exactly. And you know, looking forward to tasting your favorite tapaji.
Yeah. And of course, vote करने के लिए, like I mentioned, you know, अगर आप ध्रुव थापा का जो वो स्क्रीन बैकग्राउंड पे है, आप वो देख रहे हैं, fabchef.com/2021/Dhruva-Thapa, आप वहां पर जा सकते हैं और वोट करने के लिए. And of course, you know, someone from right here in the Bay Area. So आपके जो current group level competition है, आप क्या message हमारे जो listeners है या फिर जो viewers है, you know, you want to convey to the listeners and the viewers as well, that why they should vote for you, and also what is the purpose of your participation in this global chef competition?
Oh, thank you so much, Nilmani ji, for giving me this opportunity to share why I am interested to participate. I have been working in Indian and Nepalese restaurant for more than 20 years in the Bay Area. I have a level of experience that I can now push to the next level, and FabSafe is an incredible platform that will allow me to explore the possibilities, especially Nepali cuisine, which still has not taken off in the spectrum of the ethnic food. I want to use this platform to introduce, experiment, and vocalize Nepali cultural heritage cuisine, which is also typically based on Ayurvedic way of cooking and based on exotic Himalayan herbs and spices. जो हम बोलते हैं कि हमारे नेपाली खाना जो है अभी ग्लोबल लेवल में ले जाने के लिए मैं एक कंपटीशन में भाग लिया हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि हमारे जो खाना का बेस है इस बेस्ड ऑन 4-5,000 साल पुराने जो आयुर्वेदिक कंसेप्ट है, उसी तरह की हिमालय जड़ी बूटियों से या मसाला से बनता है, जो स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। सो हमारे कल्चरल फेस्टिवल जो होते हैं, वी हैव डिफरेंट कल्चरल फेस्टिवल इन डिफरेंट मंथ्स. So based on the different cultures, based on different months, we prepare different kinds of cultural food. So which is really good for our health. For example, in the summertime, when monsoon season, when people are working in the field, so they have a lot of rain. So we that festival we eat banana, then flat rice and yogurt, because that helps us to protect from the diarrhea and other kind of infectious disease. Similarly, during the winter festival, like during this time, Makar Sankranti, so that is also celebrated in India also, or all over the world where the Hindus are, our community peoples are living. So this time, what we eat yam or the sesame ball, because these are heat generating things. So during winter time, we need this kind of food. So these, all the foods are cultural related food. These things I just want to promote in global level. So just want to say that, so just trying these kind of things will balance our body, our health, and our well-beings. So this is the things that I just want to convey through this program.
Thank you so much, इतनी जानकारी आपने दी है, and to those people out there, अगर जो लोग मतलब यहाँ से बे एरिया से भी नहीं है, देश विदेश से अगर हमारे इस प्रोग्राम को देख रहे हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड या फीजी से, या फिर आप जहाँ कहीं पर से भी, they can also vote for you, right?
Yes, definitely. This is global competition, and the participants are from all over the world. ये विश्व के फेवरेट शेफ के लिए कंपटीशन हो रहा है, और इसमें संसार के किसी भी जगह से आप वोट कर सकते हैं. तो अब देख सकते हैं कि अभी जो लिंक उपलब्ध है, वो लिंक आप संसार के किसी भी जगह से मुझे वोट दे सकते हैं. स्पेशली मैं आप सबको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि ये एक अभियान है हमारा कुजिन को, ईस्टर्न कल्चर को, ईस्टर्न फूड को इंटरनेशनल लेवल में ले जाने के लिए. अभी भी हमारा एथनिक फूड को उतना हाइट नहीं मिल चुका है, उतना लोगों को तक नहीं पहुंचा है. ये पहुंचाने के लिए हम लोग संघर्ष करें. और आप लोगों को मालूम है कि ऑलमोस्ट 20 साल से मैं बे एरिया में हिमालयन फूड सर्व कर रहा हूं. तो लोगों को बहुत को मालूम हो चुका है हिमालयन फूड क्या है बोल के. लेकिन इसको ग्लोबलाइजेशन करने के लिए एक अभियान के रूप में, एक प्लेटफॉर्म के रूप में, आई जस्ट वांट टू यूटिलाइज दिस कंपटीशन.
ध्रुव जी, थैंक यू सो मच. आप ने हमारा साथ ये सब कुछ शेयर किया हुआ है, एंड लोगों से हम ये कहना चाहते हैं वंस अगेन, अगर आप हमारे इस प्रोग्राम को देख रहे हैं, आज शाम तक देखेंगे, कल तक शायद आप देखेंगे, तो fevchef.com/2021/Dhruva-Thapa पर आप जा सकते हैं, then you can also vote in there. और किसी ने हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है भी वो देख रहा है, और सलेंद ने पूछा है कि have you tried Fijian food?
Yes.
So there you go, Shalen, अगर आप देख रहे हैं, yes, Dhruv Thapa ने, of course, he is a chef, so I would guess so. I didn't know. But once again, Dhruv ji, thank you so much for joining, and we wish you all the best, and we'll be talking to you again.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me in the show.
All the best, Dhruv ji.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Dhruv ji, thank you so much, and we'll be talking to you again, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Thank you.